You're right there, ladies and gents, how the hell is it going? Today's a good day, today's a special day. Today's the day that my mate HoldYourFire is opening his new bike clothing shop. It's called Conquerors Apparel and it's down at the Route 1066 Cafe, down towards Hastings.
Keep that bike from side down.
So yeah, he's doing the grand opening today. It's going to be quite awesome. I'm really looking forward to seeing him. I haven't seen him since Mr. Fisher's end of season meet-up last year, I don't think, as COVID put paid to us catching up early on in the year. So when we get down there, hopefully Sam will have a chance to have a little chat and tell you about his new shop and why you should go down there and go spend your money. In the meantime, we got to get there, and there's some lovely twiddly roads on the way. I'm not hugely familiar with this particular route, so I'm not going mega hell for leather, and I'm still physioing my wrist by some motorcycle therapy. Very much loving getting out on the bike again though. These tree tunnels are lovely. It's kind of nice getting out of the sunshine as well, being all dressed in black like a heart attack. Too cool, me, too cool. It's really nice going through this sort of foresty bit. Awesome. I feel like this year's been so surreal. I've done so little exploring on the bikes, and there's so much to explore just in my neck of the woods. You don't have to go far away from it. So this is really awesome. It's great. It's the biking I love. Beautiful British countryside, eh? The speckle through the trees makes it a little bit hard to see, so again, another reason for not going too quickly. We don't want to go silly. It very much makes me happy to see my friends succeed, do well at the things that they've put their heart and soul into, that they put blood, sweat and tears, and starting a business. It's a big thing to do. It's a big thing to do. So I massively applaud Sam for doing this, for going out and chasing his dream, and I really do wish him massive success. So the least I can do is make this little video to let you know all about Conquerors Apparel down at the Route 1066 Cafe. It's biker clothing for bikers, and you can grab a bacon butty while you're there. Brilliant. Right, we are a little way away still. I should have left the house earlier, so yes, we're a little bit behind schedule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you guys off so that I can get a wiggle on and not worry about anything happening because of that wiggle. I'll catch you back down at the cafe. This is a really cool twiddly little route. Brilliant. Be better off on my dirt bike. Fantastic. Oh, I got a bug in. I don't even know if it's still in there. I got a bug in my mouth earlier, and it was grim, and I just couldn't get rid of it. I'm hoping it's gone now. Well, we're just about there, 2 minutes away. There you go, left here, and then right here, I think. Oh. Yeah, I'm glad I chose that route to go down here. It was quite interesting. It wasn't the fastest of routes, and anyway, to be honest, because of my wrist, I don't really want to be going the fastest of routes. But it's really nice. Get out in the countryside. Now I think it's on the right hand side. I think. Looks like it. Yay, there we go. Going up that entrance there. Awesome. let's see if there's any faces I recognise. Oh, there's Phil. I didn't know that you lot were going to be here. So we've got Chris, Matt, Phil's missus and Phil. Hello. Awesome. Right then, we've made it down to Hold Your Fire, aka Sam's new bike clothing store, which is called Conquerors Apparel, down at the Route 1066 Cafe, down near Hastings. And it's blooming amazing. Let's have a look around, and Sam's going to come and tell us all about it as we go around. So Sam, what have we got here?
Well, here we've got a range of brands, from budget brands to high-end brands. So just behind me here, we've got Krieger backpacks, which I don't need explaining whatsoever. Miles and miles on them. They last you a lifetime. We're the only ones in the area who sell these in the area. No one else stocks them. So we're a high-end backpack all the way. As we come through, we've got our textile section, ranging from all the Spadas to City, all the suits matching. We've got a range of leather jackets and jeans. Also in front of us, we've got a second handrail, because not everyone can afford a
That's a really awesome idea, that is.
No one can really afford a brand new leather jacket all the time, so I've hand-built the rail because it was cheaper than buying one.
And it looks cool.
So, and it looks really cool. On the back wall, we've got a large selection of boots. So we've got adventure boots, race boots, trainers, leisures for men and women. We do boast a large women's section within this store.
Is that a large women's section or a women's section that is large?
It is a women's section that is large and for large women. So yeah, we're just going to head round to
that. I think is a really awesome thing to have here, because I've always, all the female bikers I know have always struggled to get kit.
We are the prominent store for them. This is MotoGirl.
So this is the main brand,
This is the main brand. They are a local brand to us. They're from Tunbridge Wells. We're from Hastings, so it's only up the road. Some of their gear is ridiculously high quality, just like the textile jacket. The cap
looks really good, and it's got proper armour in it and stuff. It's not just designed to look good.
It's not just designed to look pretty. It all comes highest quality. All their leggings and stuff are like triple to AA rated with all the protection. You can get all their leather jackets come in various colours and sizes. They do up to the larger sizes, so 5XL right down to a 6, which is that, which surprised me that exists.
Yeah, you wouldn't. I don't know many girls that size.
Yeah, no, we've got their brand new product, the Sherry legging, that just
I heard about these.
Last week these came out.
Yep.
They're virtually sold out of them. We're one of the only stores left with them because we've opened today.
Cool.
So we've got them. Behind me, we've got the helmet wool.
What brand helmets are you doing?
So we've got Shoei, Scorpion. I keep looking at so we've got Shoei, Scorpion, Carlberg, and Spada at the moment. We have now just got the contracts to LS2 Next helmets, and I think there was some other ones. Sean, who's standing there, hates the camera. He knows more about that stuff because he's been dealing with it.
I quite like the LS2 range of helmets.
Yes,
I've got an
they've got
LS2 off-road lid,
Yeah.
although I've just changed that to a different one. But
And if it's not on here, we can get it next day. So it's a large section. We also do casual wear within the shop.
what's the brand of casual wear you do?
So we've got Red Torpedo, which is all the TT riders, so like Guy Martin, Morgan and John McGuinness and stuff. We're the only ones in the area who stock it in such a large quantity. And it's virtually next day delivery.
It's quite funky stuff, that as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
it's nice.
high quality stuff. We all wear it. Generally, I've got quite a few of them at home, so it's something I believe in, and they're really comfortable and they rock and look. So yeah, that's the little tour of Conquerors Apparel.
That's brilliant, mate.
So,
that's really awesome. And I just want, can you take that off me a second?
Yep.
I just want to say massive thank you for the t-shirt. This isn't a paid promotion, it's just an awesome sticker swap for a t-shirt or something like that.
So you gave us all those stickers for our counter. So.
But yeah, that's brilliant, Sam. Thanks for showing me around. It's
right, no
bloody
worries,
awesome to see you.
Yeah,
I mean,
you
like
too.
last time I saw you was, what, Mr. Fisher's end of season?
Yeah, it must have been.
Because the beginning of the season one didn't happen in the end.
Corona.
But yeah, so any motovloggers, come down here and stick your stickers on the desk, because they can fill this desk up with your stickers, and then someone might see them and make you internet famous. Also, while you're here, you can grab yourself a bite to eat, because the cafe's really good too. I'm going to go and get myself a burger.
Right, I'll see you in a bit.
Cheers, Sam. It's bloody awesome, mate. I'm well chuffed
Thank you
for
very
you.
much.
Thanks,
Right,
mate.
I'll see you later.
Take care. Right, well that is the Route 1066 Cafe, and Conqueror Apparel visit complete. It's a bloody good show, Sam. Bloody good show. Well done, mate. You've done yourself proud, and I wish you every single success with this little venture of yours, and I cannot see how it could possibly be anything but one. So well done, mate. Well done. It was actually a really cracking day. It was awesome to see Sam and have a little walk around his shop, and it was even more awesome to bump into some people I wasn't expecting to bump into. Sat nav detour might need to be thought up. It was amazing that so many people were able to get down to it, as I mean, I know it's a lovely day, but this is right on the south of England, Hastings. I mean, it's where William the Conqueror come in, hence Conqueror Apparel, and the 1066 Caf. It's right down by the coast of the UK, and there was people from all over the place. Chris 959 come down. He lives in the Midlands, although he's a northerner as far as we're concerned. Gesto and Lane were there, with Gesto looking all sorry for himself with his poor little limp wrist. And we had Matt and Phil 480 and his missus, and also a new rider. I'm pronouncing it probably very wrong. I'm still learning the names of the newer channels that I've started following, but it was really lovely to see him as well. And I met up with someone else who I was chatting to on Facebook the other day as well, just a random person too, which is really cool. So yeah, fantastic stuff. The food there's brilliant, I can confirm that now. I have had myself a cheese and tomato toasty. No, not cheese and tomato one, cheese and ham toasty, and that was very, very nice. As is their tea and their Coca-Cola. I don't know how you can get Coca-Cola wrong, but they did not. They got it right. Yeah, brilliant stuff, brilliant stuff. I need to dispatch of this caravan and work out where I'm going. Right, well that's that caravan dispatched, thankfully, and now I've just got to work out where I'm going. Mistakes were made. I have a feeling that I should have just retraced my steps and gone back the way I came, because I'm heading into Hastings now. Yeah, I should have consulted the map. I should have consulted the Oracle. I have a huge feeling I am going to run out of batteries before I can get to some nice roads. So I guess it's time to call this video here, rather than hang fire and see if we find some nicer roads before you all disappear from me. So yes, if you are down this part of the world, please do check out Conquerors Apparel and their Route 1066 Cafe. I'm sure you'll find something there that you like, whether it be a cup of coffee, cup of tea, or even a t-shirt or a leather jacket, or even a crash helmet. Point to the sun and you'll end up in Brighton. Yay! So if you like what you saw here and you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button, and if you support local businesses and all that sort of thing, let me know names of your businesses that you support. So if you like what you saw here and you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. It would be great to have you come back for some more. And if you like this video, if you like Sam's new shop, you like the 1066 Caf, you just like riding in the sunshine, why not give this video a little thumbs up? And if you didn't, you can always give it a little thumbs down, don't mind, don't care. But whatever you do, please do drop in a comment. I love hearing from you. Anyhow, you ride safe, take care, and I shall catch you all in the next one. Bye bye for now.
Keep the rubber sign down. You know, you gotta keep that bar. Rubber sign down.